Listen to the gushing thunder of the ice shattering in the Arctic. Listen to the simmering pain of the oceans burdened with surging levels of water. But hang on, if the thought of more water excites you. Try listening to the voice of the water supply with air sucked in the pipeline, and then listen to the rapid heartbeat of the anxious people who haven't got enough in their buckets. Try digging the soil of the land of 5 rivers, where 3 decades ago you could see the sweet elixir 6 feet underground. Get your technologies and get your tube wells. Get your technologies and get your tube wells. At 200 feet below, it's now nowhere to be found. Listen to the whining growl of the animals thrown out of their homes. And look at us bullies that we also have the audacity to make a circus out of them. Listen to the forest cry as we cut its arteries and veins with a chainsaw. No matter how hard we try, stains of the blood on our hands will never leave. Listen to the fall of the tree and your lungs gasping for air. Listen to the fall of the tree and your lungs gasping for air, for one day you will forget how your heartbeat used to sound, cause all you will hear is the buzzing noise of an oxygen concentrator. Listen to the stinking viscous rivers grip to the ground. Listen to the stinking viscous rivers grip to the ground, crawling unwillingly, for she is ashamed meeting the ocean, wishing it could all turn around. Cracked, barren, droughty lands, deserts wide opening their mouth. Cracked, barren, droughty lands, deserts wide opening their mouths, snowy peaks turning black. They are all speaking, but all we could hear is babbling politicians trying to make sense out of their hollow words and empty will. It's the hottest after the hottest after the hottest years we've seen. It's the hottest after the hottest after the hottest years we've seen. Listen to the tyranny of the retreating glaciers. Listen before the flood or the cyclone hurricane. Listen before it's too late and it all goes to vain. Listen before it's too late and it all goes to vain.